This is an automatic tire inflator system. In this system, we have used a Coin Acceptor, a GSM module, lithium-ion battery of 11.1 volt and 5 ampere, ESP32, tire pressure sensor, buzzer, and mini tire inflator. We have included LCD to display all the necessary information, and to charge these batteries, we have used a solar panel. This is the pipe where we can connect the tire to which it will be inflated. Let's start the system. The white light is on as we have included automatic light feature in the system where we are using a light sensor LDR to sense the intensity. The system is connected to Wi-Fi. It is also internet connected system. If no Wi-Fi is available, then also the system will work. This is a light sensor LDR. When it will sense enough light, it will turn off the white light. When it will sense the darkness, it will start the white light. There is a battery indicator which will indicate the status of the battery. To inflate the tire, we can make a payment by using coins and by using online payment also. I have inserted 1 rupees coin, so the credit will be 1, so we can fill the 1 tire at this time. Through these 2 buttons, we can increase or decrease the target pressure. So T is equal to 5 means 5 psi pressure is set. If there is no air in the tire, we can use a flat tire button. As soon as the pump starts, the air inflator turns on. I'm putting finger on the pressure pipe so that the pressure inside the pipe started increasing. You can see on the display. As soon as the pressure reaches the target pressure, the inflator will turn off automatically. And now it will showing a message to remove the pipe from the tube. In this way, the system will work and automatically put pressure inside the tire as per the target pressure set. Do subscribe the channel to watch such interesting videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.